Okay, so now we're going to set up our inputs. And in this case, we're actually using an iPod to drive background audio in our bar or restaurant, right? So we're on the input module, and let's go ahead and set that up. So initially, my iPod is actually hardwired into the back of my 600.2 in stereo. So it's actually using two channels. So I first want to actually make my source a stereo source. And I can do this by simply clicking on mono. Boom. Now it's a stereo source, so we're able to process it as a stereo signal. The next thing I want to do is rename it. So let's get rid of this analog one, and we will call it iPod. Okay, iPod's locked in. Now we can see our signal coming in. We're at about negative 12 dB, and let's say we want to raise that up. I want to raise it up a little bit, right? We have two ways to do that. As we go down, our next block is sensitivity. Now we can actually increase that sensitivity, negative 10, but that may introduce some noise, and as you can see, it's now hitting over 0 dB, right? So let's go back to plus 4 dB. Okay, so that's fine. That gives us a good ballpark. I want to actually bring it up, let's say 6 dB. I want to get close to, negative 4. So we'll do that. We'll bring it up, and we'll keep going until we're close to that negative 4 dB mark, and there we go. Now the track is going to cycle through. There we go. And I can see it's still a little hot, so I'll bring it down just a bit more. And we're good just about there, right? Cool. So now we've gain staged it. That's all set up. Our next section is our EQ. So let's go ahead and pull that down. And before I apply EQ, I'm actually going to apply a master high pass, right? Anything below 100 hertz will be canceled out. And there we go. We can see it right on the EQ curve right there. And let's say I wanted to add additional processing, right? Maybe I'm okay here, and typically I would be. But if I go to edit, and let's go ahead and give it a little low end boost here, above 100 hertz, right above 100 hertz. On band 2, we'll give it a little drop in the mid, and on band 3, we'll go ahead and give it a little bit of high end, right? Let's say we're happy right there, okay? We'll close it out, and there's our curve, and we're good to go. Our inputs are set up.